I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the basics ready. Unlock your phone and open Settings now. Once done, search for Notifications in Settings or tap Apps then Notifications, because different phones place the menu differently. Make sure the app you want to enable is installed and visible, otherwise you can't toggle it. If you see a global Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode active, pause, disable that first so individual app toggles work. This first step gets you into the right screen to control alerts. Next, tap the app name to reveal its notification controls. You'll see an Allow Notifications switch. Turn it on, that's the primary gate. Then review notification channels or categories, because apps often split alerts by type, and you can enable only what matters. Choose sound, badge icons, and whether notifications appear on the lock screen. Set priority or importance to control visibility. Once you set channels, notifications behave the way you expect, and you keep interruptions minimal. Finally, verify that notifications actually arrive. Send a test message or use the app's built-in test alert. If nothing appears, make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb modes are off, and check any scheduled silences or automation rules. Also confirm battery optimization isn't restricting background activity for that app. Disable optimization for reliable delivery. If problems persist, restart the app. Then restart your phone. That simple step often clears stuck service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.